That's tough. That's tough. That's what we came over here to eat at yesterday. But all this was blocked off, you couldn't see inside. I need to go talk to AAA. I need to go talk to a Jero. Yeah. I need to go talk to a Tura. We might finna switch to a Tura. Yeah, I'm finna take. Where's A and B? I need to go talk to, there go OMG Towing. All the motor clubs are here. Zips here. I buy my stuff from them. Yeah, I need to go talk to Copart.
Insurance companies there too.
Geico.
York.
Yeah, I need to go talk to, where's Nines at? Nines gonna be on that side. Copart. Landau. Edge Tech, 608. I'm gonna go talk to Chris. They in there. And this zip, so they should be right here, right there. Yeah, I took a picture. Yeah. You didn't see that.
The camera did.
Try to take a drink. A Jero 902, they all on the back roads.
We need to go with them.
Man. They was just talking about this company for the reflective cones. I got these. I need some more of those. How much are these?
40 bucks.
40?
20.
20?
Oh, those. I thought you were talking about the shirt.
No, these, for a pack of 5, they're $4.75.
475?
5 of them. You get 5 of the road commanders, 5 tripods, 5 charging cable, and that bag.
Okay, I'll be back.
High visibility.
I'll be back.
Okay, you want some information?
Yes.
Okay.
What?
All these trucks was in the parking lot.
Yeah.
They went high as shit. It was a Denny's parking.
You'll find others out here, but this is the best. Look at what he does on the highway.
Yeah, I got those. I have a set of
Oh, you have a
those.
set of these?
Yes.
Yeah.
I bought them from Edge Tech.
Pardon me?
I bought them from Edge Tech.
Okay, good.
Hey, remember the ones I told you that do the flashing colors? Yeah. Yeah, they selling these trucks. That motherfucker nice. Look at that motherfucker, Adrian.
That one nice.
You gotta push up on that, bro. That's nice.
Towing one of their shits? That's a towing company, no? What?
Them custom builds.
I read the laws, I read everything, I make sure I understand what I'm doing.
Well, I'll do a little research. Probably have a link.
I think we're all set.
Situation. She's man, got to call Mercedes-Benz, and tell them about the situation. It could be right.
You can ask them. Why they file 1 month later?
Nah, I don't know. They don't know. Hell, they just
Well, they should know.
they just here for the tow show. You know how big Ajero is? Ajero is a Canadian company.
Oh, okay. Perfect. So they got all the answers.
They don't have the answers. Asked about my shop. Added my shop to Ajero list. Yeah, my repair shop as a vendor.
You got a back store? Would that affect
That's different. The shop and the towing is two different things. I'll come back over here. Too many people.
For the whole kit, once you get through here, they're 130. Both airbags. How the other one goes. And we also.
That's nice.
back on? Is that down?
She gonna put it back on. But that ain't gonna work for all ties. Not that easy.
How much is one? Definitely, yes. So.
Ain't gonna work for all ties though. It can't.
So you get a whole lockout. Lockout.
Well, look, there go tow pilot. Tow pilot replace y'all.
Replace who?
Dispatcher, it's auto dispatchers. It's an automatic. It's an
Ain't
AI.
nobody worried about it.
It's an AI.
Well, then go with your AI people.
See.
Right now we're doing the auction, the auction, top auction. It's a brand new piece of equipment. I mean, these are long auctions, these don't run until.
Well, these straps you need.
But I mean, we do auctions on like brand new stuff like that.
That's what costs 35.
We just charge about What's going on, guys?
How you doing?
I gotta show you one more thing.
Hey there, boss.
What's this for?
Do digital parking permits for apartment complexes. You guys do private property impounds?
I'm about to start.
Okay, nice. Yeah, so we do digital parking permits, so no hang tags, no stickers. Everything's online, digital. It's a free system to you guys, free to your properties. How we make our money is guest parking. So they come in, scan a QR code, it's pay to park.
So you would give this, you sell this to the company, well, you show the company and the company gives it to the apartment complex.
Both. So we like sell it to you guys and sell it to the property mostly, yeah. So we don't sell it to, like it's free to the property and free to you guys, so it's not really selling it, but yeah, pitching it to you guys, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna take one of these.
Yeah, absolutely. Here, take this one because it's got my contact information on it. Yeah, send me an email. I can show you guys the system. It's real simple, real straightforward. We work with 250 tow companies across the country, so
Okay, yeah.
yeah, we're pretty.
I'm definitely about to start doing private property,
Yeah,
so
definitely get into it. It's a good business, man.
this will help out. I'm gonna take one of your pens.
Absolutely. Have a good
Appreciate
one.
you.
So-
Huh? Here's check. Let me go see it. Say what's up to my boy. OMG Towing. I use y'all.
You do? How's it going?
It's good. For the most part.
Oh, Caballeros? Yeah.
There go Geico. And then go talk to Geico. Huh? Man, that motherfucker. That Look at this Landau. So,
Hey, buddy. How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. You left Mike at the shop? I do need to look at this system. I'm good.
Did you see the gray NRC that's in here?
Hello there, how are you?
How you doing?
Good.
So this system, I have a triple K unit that has a load-R system. And so how would, if I wanted to switch my remotes,
You need just the remote or you need a whole new system?
I don't know. So
Given the age of it, I haven't heard from Triple K in a long time. You may have to go to a new system.
yeah, because my remote don't look nothing. Well, let's see. Yeah, my remotes don't look nothing like. It looks like this, but it has different functions.
Right.
This definitely the newer style. So how much does a new system cost?
Well, if it's like what I recall on Triple K, it's like 5 pairs of functions.
You got the let down, the let up,